Good morning. It's very nice to see you all wearing your masks and socially distanced. I appreciate being here. Sorry, I had to get that in, Governor. And we appreciate all of our colleagues in Plymouth for hosting us here and for all the excellent work you're doing in mosquito control. I'd also like to thank the Governor, Lieutenant Governor, and Secretary for your immense leadership on this very important public health issue. As you've heard, and we all remember, 2019 was a very active EEE season for us here in Massachusetts. And although the world has changed in many different ways since 2019, it's important for us to now get back to thinking about EEE and the preventive measures we all need to take. 2019 was our most active year since the 1950s. There were 12 human cases and unfortunately 6 deaths related to EEE, and 9 animal cases here in the Commonwealth. Here in 2020, we've already seen and reported out evidence of EEE in Massachusetts. This is considered quite early for EEE. In fact, July 1st is the earliest that EEE has been found in mosquitoes in the last 20 years. Yesterday, we've confirmed EEE in a mosquito sample collected on July 5th in the community of Wendell in Franklin County. That increased the risk levels of EEE to moderate in the communities of both Wendell and New Salem. On Friday, our state's first detection of EEE in mosquitoes was also found in Franklin County, and that increased the risk level to moderate in the communities of Orange and Athol. No human or animal cases of EEE have been detected yet this year. We know that the 2020 season is likely to be an active one, as EEE tends to run in 2 to 3 year cycles. So the Department of Public Health has been working since the end of the last season with our partners, as you've heard, to plan and prepare for this season. One aspect of our preparation focuses on mosquito surveillance. DPH is adding trapping locations, as you've heard, expanding our surveillance efforts, and we're working with mosquito control projects to reduce the timing between the trapping and the testing. We've significantly expanded the number and geographic coverage of mosquito traps for the surveillance purposes. And the positive mosquito samples that we just reported on comes from one of these expanded surveillance trap sites. So we are stepping up our surveillance this season and stepping up the accuracy and rapidity with which we provide that information so that, again, we can use a data-driven approach to address this public health issue. We are also stepping up our communication and education efforts as well. This season, when it comes to public messaging, we're starting earlier and we're doing more messaging. We've launched a new website and a robust public awareness campaign. You can see some of those posters here today. You'll be seeing new, updated, and multimedia materials that include videos, booklets, posters. We're doing outreach with print materials and providing assistance and education materials to local health, schools, camps, sports leagues, and other groups. The key to our message is about taking personal protective measures. You'll see these ads on TV, digital streaming, and they're already up on social media. In addition, there'll be enhanced messaging with electronic highway signs and DOT billboards. We've unveiled as well a new user-friendly website this season, which I hope you'll go and take a look at. It's mass.gov, mosquitoes and ticks. Here you'll find the facts, protective measures, materials, videos, and the state risk maps that we've been talking about today. We also rely heavily on you, our colleagues in media, to spread the word. Last season, we issued dozens of press releases and media advisories, held press conferences, and did over 100 media interviews. The goal of this all is to raise awareness for our residents about the role that each one of us can play in personal protection from mosquitoes. And these include using mosquito repellents with an EPA-registered active ingredient, wearing long sleeves and long pants to reduce exposed skin, and being aware of mosquito activity around you. We've all been spending a lot of time indoors related to COVID-19. and we want the residents of Massachusetts to go outside and enjoy outdoor time with their families. But just like we asked you to take precautions against the other virus that causes COVID, we ask you to take enhanced precautions against EEE so that we can protect ourselves and continue to enjoy the outdoors. Thank you very much. I'll hand it over to the superintendent now.